Hello dear fans. 8 interesting facts about the planet Venus. Venus is a planet of the so-called terrestrial group, along with Mercury, Mars and Earth. With the latter, it has the greatest similarity in density and size. Venus appeared at about the same time as Earth, but its atmosphere was formed according to a completely different scenario. 1. Venus is a visible, but hidden planet. It always shines brightly, but it is impossible to see its surface without a telescope. This is because Venus is hidden by a layer of clouds that reflect sunlight. To study it, scientists use special instruments, probes or radars, the waves of which pass through the clouds. 2. The atmosphere of Venus includes 95% carbon dioxide, 3.5% nitrogen and other gases, including argon. The planet is surrounded by fog and clouds, hanging at a distance of 90 kilometers from the surface. For comparison, the clouds of the Earth are at an altitude of 10 to 12 kilometers. The layer between the 70th and 90th km is a haze, consisting of the smallest droplets of sulfuric acid. At an altitude of 50 to 70 kilometers, there are 3 thick layers of sulfuric acid clouds, but with denser droplets. The sun's rays hardly penetrate the cloud layer, so Venus is always immersed in darkness. 3. The surface temperature of Venus is 460 degrees Celsius. Its research is difficult due to the rapid breakdown of equipment due to the intense heat. 4. Traces of violent volcanic activity were found on Venus. There you can see lava flows several hundred kilometers long, volcanoes with huge craters, as well as swelling of the soil under the pressure of magma, which was looking for an exit from the crust to the surface. Unusual rounded formations, which presumably formed during the eruption of very viscous lava, are called pancakes. Their diameter is several tens of kilometers, and their height is about a kilometer. There are also huge craters on Venus, traces of collisions with asteroids. 5. Venus, like the Earth, revolves around the Sun. It makes one complete revolution around the star in 225 Earth days, and our planet in 365. Venus also rotates around its own axis. But if the Earth makes such a revolution in 24 hours, then it moves more slowly and spends 243 days, about 8 months, on the same action. 6. Venus and the Earth revolve around the Sun at different speeds. The two planets are located at a distance of 40 to 260 million kilometers. When they are as close to each other as possible, Venus looks like a tiny glowing crescent from Earth. 7. Venus has no satellites. 8. Venus and Earth appeared in the same region of the nebula, which gave rise to our solar system. Therefore, the initial composition of the rocks of these planets is identical. Because of this, the composition of the atmosphere is also similar. At favorable temperatures on the surface of the planets, water vapor condenses and turns into oceans. This happened on Earth and possibly on Venus. It is believed that it was the evaporation of the vast oceans that led to the formation of such a powerful cloud layer. Thanks for watching.